You transport people and goods millions of miles every day. By minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency, we're here to ensure a successful journey for each one of those miles. Your operation requires trusted and reliable solutions. We are proud to offer our full line of iconic EMD locomotives and engines, rail cars, track work, fasteners, signaling, rail welding, and maintenance of way equipment to meet those needs. We're creating smart, connected fleets today to meet and exceed the demands of the railroad tomorrow. The mountain of data generated by our full spectrum of railway products is transformed into actionable insights. Growing investments in the best minds and latest technologies deliver world-class solutions directly to you. You've got a job to do, and we're here to make sure it gets done, offering a wide variety of services and support. Understanding your needs and supplying an optimal solution is what we do best. Our maintenance programs around the world offer a full range of OEM and aftermarket parts with responsive, quality customer support to meet your transportation needs. Every mile of the journey, we keep you rolling.